The four macromolecules are carbohydrate, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Each of these comes in two forms, a monomer form and a polymer form. The polymer version for each of the macromolecules are polysaccharide under carbohydrate, none for lipids, proteins have polypeptide, and nucleic acid have polynucleotide. This video discussion will be on lipids. There are two lipid monomers, fatty acids and glycerol. When one glycerol combines with three fatty acids, you get fats, another type of lipid monomer. If you combine one glycerol with two fatty acids, you get phospholipid, also another lipid monomer. Here's what fatty acids and glycerol looks like. Glycerol on the left is a nonpolar on the outside and polar on the inside, so it's two-sided. One likes water and the other side doesn't. Fatty acids is on the right, it's a long carbon chain. Fatty acids have perfectly even atoms, so it's practically nonpolar, and therefore hydrophobic. On the bottom, the one glycerol combined with three fatty acids to create a fat, a lipid monomer. The scientific name is triglycerol. Next, we will see one glycerol combined with two fatty acids to create a phospholipid. On the left side is one glycerol at the top with two fatty acids bottom to create a phospholipid. Here's a 3D version of the phospholipids and the glycerol on top and the two fatty acids on the bottom. If you have a bunch of monomer, fat is just chunk of fats. And if you have lots of phospholipids like below, then it's just a chain of phospholipids. So there isn't any special name for a lipid's polymer. Below is the cell membrane. So we got a bunch of lipid monomer that makes other lipid monomers. The last one is steroid, which is also a lipid monomer, but it's kind of by itself. It's under the lipid family because it shares the same property, hydrophobic. Steroid isn't a combination of fatty acid or glycerol. Steroids are just monomers made up of four fused carbon rings. Steroids are found in cell membrane and are also used as hormones. We'll learn more about hormones later on and you'll see why hormones are steroids. All of these lipids share the same property. They all have hydrophobic ability. They do not like water.